Chisel nail art.
Hello everybody, this is David Hoang again. I am excited to share with you guys that we have something new that coming out in about a couple weeks. What we have here is a press-on nails. Okay, we have so much request, so I have no choice but come out with new products for Chisel. And very proudly, everything that it make here in the USA, from the Bond X to the Prime X to the Gel X and to the Top Gel, is all made here in Florida. This is a kit of press-on nails, gel extension. We have a few different tips that we provide for each kit. You either get the pointed, you get the almonds, you get the coffin, you get the square, and you get the oval. So that's a total of 5 different kind that you guys can purchase. But today I will demonstrate the oval. Okay, let's talk about a little bit about this right here. Okay, the oval that we have, the tip that we have is already removed the sign from the bottom. So for you not to have to worry about sanding the bottom before you want to apply. About this here, it's pretty easy. The first thing that you want to do is the Bond X. Okay, what you do, you prep the nail. Okay, you prep the nail. I use this sanding band. Okay, go in. I'm running the RPM is about 3000 RPM, very slow, just enough to remove the sign. Okay, dust it off. And what I want to use first is the Bond X. Okay, the Bond X go in first. You have number in there. There's number 1. Okay, now go ahead and apply number 1. And then you go to number 2. Number 2 is a Prime X. The Bond X is a pH balance. The Prime X is more like a double side tape. It helps to adhere the tips, the nail to the nail bed. Okay, so you want to apply a second. Number 2, that's a Prime X. And this one right here is a Gel X. This guy is the main thing that hold up the nail right here. So Gel X is very thick. So you see we have a very short brush in here because of the thickness. What you want to do is place a little, just about that much. You see how? And what you want to do, you place this about, I would say about 98 or 98% of the nail bed. Okay, place it a tip right here. Okay, and then you press, keep it down, get it closer, get it down. Okay, and then you put it into the light. This light right here is temporarily hold the gel for clear, but you still have to, this is just temporarily. So what you do it all 5 nails, and when you come back, you want to go ahead and place this inside the LED lamp for about, I would say, 60 seconds. Okay, and that's pretty much that you are pretty much done with the process, because it's so easy to do. The reason that we haven't come out soon enough because I saw it's so easy to do, and it's just that we have so much request for it. So that's, and I have no choice but to come out, because when I go to California and I go to different states, mostly in California, I have a lot of requests out of California. Oh, David, when are you coming out with the press-on kit? I say, well, we have dip, we have acrylic. So they say, well, we want to try Chisel. So I said, okay, I'll try to come out, and this is what it look like, and this is pretty much done. And as you can see, I do not go all the way underneath that cuticle. I leave about 98% of it, and the rest of it I'm gonna file them off. So, and all you gotta do now is just like shape the nails. okay, to whatever the shape you like. But this here is an oval already, so I might as well just want to change it to coffin, because I have coffin on the tip coffin, so I don't have to do this. This is already all oval, so I'm just gonna file this to be an oval, and I'm using the same bit again. Okay, go in to around, okay, lay it flat and just easily kind of flash this out. Okay, so you would have you know, just like how you do, and the rest I think it's better to buff them. Okay, if you buff them, it'll be more easy for you, so you don't have to file a lot, because this, you don't need to file this. All you need to do is buff this, and this is strong enough, pretty tough, that will hold on for 2 to 3 weeks. You know, for your client, 2 to 3 weeks. They don't break up that easy. And I mean, you are pretty much done with this, and all you need is just right now apply a gel coat. And I'm using Chisel solid 61 gel. Yeah, we're coming up with a lot of new gel color too, so stay tuned. Well, I normally you need to kind of cleanse it a little bit before. Okay, just that, and then you put it in the light, let it cure for 30 seconds. Yep, and after 30 seconds, and then you can reapply a second coat. And when you finish with the second coat, and this is your guy right here, that's your top. Okay, that's your top, and top will be, okay, so this is one coat. Let me reapply a second coat. Okay, that's the second coat. Okay, let it cure again, 30 seconds. This is gel solid 61. Okay, guys. Yeah, we haven't got the label on it because it's still working on it. So you should see that coming soon. We would have a lot of stuff that we coming out soon. We are pretty excited to share with you at the Commerce Prop. But I'm very, very proud of this formula here. This formula here work on dip, work on gel, work on acrylic, and for the dip you don't need a base. And it work really great for French because it does not turn yellow. And we guarantee that too. We've been testing this product for a while. Me and Tong Vu, our chemist, we worked together, and I asked him to come up with this formula. Whatever my demand, he deliver. And we finally come up with something here. It call it non-yellow formula, high shine top gel. It's 3-in-1. It works for dip powder, no base. Work for gel. It's a soak-off gel, and it works for acrylic. And especially if you want to work with pink and white, and we guarantee it will not turn yellow for pink and white. Okay, guys, I'm pretty much done with the result. It come out just like this. It's a press on nails. So I would hope to see you guys this weekend. Very close to the premiere show. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.